How to send pictures on WhatsApp that can only be opened once. Hello everyone and welcome to the channel once again. Today I'll be showing you how you can send pictures on WhatsApp that can only be opened once. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. After opening your WhatsApp application, go to the chat where you want to send the disappearing message or the once only view message. Then from the message prompt, select the paperclip icon, then go to the gallery option. Then you can select the pictures or your videos from your gallery. And after that, simply press on the one icon available on the bottom right corner above the send menu. After that, this prompt may also appear which says that now when you send a view once message, the recipient can't even take a screenshot of it. So there you go. Your view once pictures or videos are even more private. Anyways, after you've selected it, just simply send it. Here I'm switching my accounts and as you can see, the video can only be opened once. It will disappear from the chat after you close it and you can share, forward, copy or save or take a screenshot of it. And there it is. That is how you send pictures on WhatsApp that can only be opened once. If you'd like to see more content like this, please consider subscribing to the channel.